guys, welcome to a walkthrough by Bugbase on TryHackMe challenges. And today we're going to solve a challenge called Pickle Rick. And yes, ये एक Rick and Morty based challenge है and मेरे को Rick and Morty काफी पसंद है. So yeah, it's a good challenge as well. It's rated easy and I think it is pretty straightforward as well. Just before starting the whole video, I'd like to talk about Bugbase a bit. So Bugbase is India's first consolidated platform where we basically connect hackers and companies. If you want to learn more, you can go to bugbase.in and we have everything listed out here. You guys can check this out. So now, without further ado, let's start this challenge. I've already started this machine. Okay, before starting with the challenge, I think a lot of people might not know what TryHackMe actually is. It's basically we have to get root access into the box or basically solve questions on the basis of a box given to us. So for that, we have to set up the box first. So go to this access tab after you signed up and stuff. Download this configuration file and just store this somewhere. Once this is stored, you will be provided with an OVPN file and then you have to just connect to it. So I'll do it right now. Sudo openvpn. OVPN. I'll enter my password and yeah, so I've been connected successfully to the OpenVPN server. It might take a bit time to show up here. Probably reload this. So it will show up later on. I think we are connected and we're good to go. Once you start the machine, I think it will take 50 seconds. I'm also on the free tier as well. So I think it takes a minute or so. But yeah, once it's done, we guys can start up. So let's read the prompt first. This Rick and Morty theme challenge requires you to exploit a web server to find 3 ingredients that will help Rick make his potion to transform himself back to a human from a pickle. Cool. So we basically have to find 3 ingredients to help Rick. And the first question is, what is the first ingredient Rick needs, second, and the final? Cool. So we've been provided a URL, an IP address. So we just go there first. Okay, so help Morty. Listen, Morty, I need your help. I've turned myself into a vessel again. Okay, so this doesn't give us anything. The only problem is I have no idea about the password. Okay, so to get the password first, we'll probably look into the site first. First of all, I'll do Control U to look into the source. Okay, we have a background image. I don't think that would be something we have to look for. Okay, so we have a comment here which gives us the username, which is Rick Rules. We can probably note this down somewhere. Okay, I'll just make a nano file. Details.txt. I'll just save this here and basically once. Okay, so good. We found the username now. We have to find the password. So before starting the challenge, I saw that it was we had to use Dirbuster somewhere. I think there was somewhere it was written. So we're going to use Dirbuster, but there's another tool called GoBuster, which is pretty good in finding directories and stuff. So you can, I'll just run you through it. Just type GoBuster. You have to install it first, so you can check out the uh, however installation guides there are. So just type GoBuster minus U. Minus U means a URL you have to provide. In my case, it's this URL. So I'll just copy it and paste it. And minus W is for the word list. So I have a word list file in /opt /dirbuster slash I have. Okay, cool. Yeah, yeah. I have a lot of Dirbuster word lists, but I'll choose this one because I know it has common directory name. So once I run this, it will start. It'll take some time to get us some results. So okay. So I think I forgot one tag. We have to just search for a file extension for HTML, JS, CSS, PHP, or TXT file. Okay. So once we do that, it will probably take a bit. Okay, so we got an index.html, which we probably are right now. Yeah, so this is the index.html page. Okay, and we have got a login.php. We can go there as well. I'm solving this with you, so feel free to just uh, you know tag along with me. Okay, so we have got the portal login page. Let's see its source. We have nothing here, I think. Yeah, we don't have anything here. That is fine. Probably this will take a time, so I take some time, but I've already ran this, and we've got a few um, files we might want to check it out. We've got robots.txt file, so we'll just go to slash robots.txt. And okay, so we got wabba which means I'm in great pain. If you've watched the series, you would know this. And if I go back, I think this might be a password, so let's just store it. And okay, we had a login page, right? Let's try to log in. The username was Rick Rules, and wabba is the password. Okay, so that was the password, and indeed we got into our portal page. Okay, so it looks like these links are only restricted to real Rick, which we aren't. And okay, so we have a command panel. So I'm pretty sure it would be a basic command execution. If I run ls, we've got a lot of txt files and index.html, all the directories listed out here. We are more interested in this file, so probably we can run cat on this. I've already tried this challenge, that's why it's showing me on autocorrect. So I'll execute this, but this command is disabled. So I think this is a blacklisting challenge. So I dug through it, and there are a bunch of alternative commands which you can write. I tried with this command echo and tried to echo out the text file, but there was no luck. So one more thing I got was a grep. So grep dot super, yeah, just take this file name and use the dot. So basically signifies everything in this text file. It will print out to stdout. We got a first um, answer. Let's submit this. Okay, cool. So we got our first answer correct. Now for the other two ingredients, if you had paid attention, we had one clue.txt file as well. So let's try to cat it out as well using grep. Obviously, we cannot use cat. So clue.txt. Look around the file system for the other ingredients. So basically, this is a command injection tool, right? We're injecting these commands to a shell probably. So this will have some file system. So if we try to look around, can we use cd? Yeah, probably we can use cd. So the most it's a pretty guessy challenge. So we can probably just try to go to home, execute it, and if we try ls, okay, we cannot actually do that. So we can probably directly ls home. My bad, my typing is a bit bad. Okay, so we have two users listed out here. Ubuntu is the default, and Rick is probably a user we want to look at. Let's cat out everything inside Rick. I think I made a mistake. Okay, we cannot do this. Oh, I forgot home. Cool. So we have two files called second ingredients. So I think we have to basically cat these files out. So let's do grep dot slash home slash Rick. slash second ingredient. I hope it's okay. My spelling is wrong, I think. No, it's fine. Let's try to do this. Okay, so we got one Jared here. So probably the second answer. We'll try to do this. Submit it. Yep, it was a correct answer. Now let's see what's the final ingredient Rick needs. So I tried a bit, and it means that we have to probably get a root access. So हमको एक root access चाहिए. So right now अभी क्या access है हमारे पास? Let's look at it. Uh, let's see our permissions using sudo -l. If you can see, it has given an all access here, and we basically can run as sudo without even having a password. So we can directly use sudo to gain root access. So currently, can I execute this? So we are www data, but now we can basically run as sudo, and if we can basically ls, let's try to ls root without being sudo. Let's see what happens. Nothing happens. But now if I run ls using a sudo, because we want to access the root directory, once we do this and execute, we have our files. Probably what we're looking for is the third.txt. Also, like, keep in mind it took a bit of guessing and stuff. That is totally fine. Some time needs to be given to these challenges. Once we got what file we have to look for, which was I'll again do /root. So we have to cat out basically root slash third.txt. Let's do it using grep. Okay, we cannot access it. Oh, I didn't run sudo. So let's do sudo grep dot slash root slash third dot txt. Yep, that is it. Third ingredient, cool, nice English. And we have sleep juice as well. These all are Rick and Morty references. And yeah, if we submit it, our box is complete. And yeah, this is another account I've come from, so you can basically look at it. Yeah, we're done with the box, and that's how you basically solve all the try hack me boxes. This was a pretty easy box to go with, and I hope you got to learn how to attempt try hack me challenges. Well, that's it for this one, and look to see you in the next one as well. Bye.